In today's video, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly integrate Zoom with your Acuity Scheduling account. This integration is a game changer for managing virtual meetings alongside your appointments. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Start by logging into your Acuity Scheduling account. Once you're in, navigate to the Integrations panel. This section connects Acuity with other platforms, streamlining your scheduling process. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the available options. Next, locate Zoom in the list of integrations and click Connect. You will be redirected to your Zoom account to log in. This step is crucial because it allows Zoom to communicate with Acuity. If needed, pre-approve Acuity in your Zoom app marketplace so the integration can function smoothly. Once you've authorized Acuity to access your Zoom account, configure which appointment types will automatically create Zoom meetings. This ensures that the correct meetings get Zoom links attached. You can also adjust settings like allowing clients to join before you, using a personal meeting ID, or starting with video disabled. Tailor these options to your preference. Finally, save all your settings to complete the integration. Double check that everything is configured correctly. Now, your Zoom meetings are automatically linked to your Acuity appointments, making virtual scheduling effortless. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll streamline your meetings and ensure a smooth, hassle-free experience for both you and your clients. Happy scheduling!